What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing red Godzilla Buzz from Brawl Stars. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw a straight line going across the mouth. So starting on the left, go across towards the right. Now I want to add two teeth on either side. So we're going to start by angling this down and out towards the bottom. Let's flatten off the ends of the teeth. Go up and then out towards the side. Now you want to add two short lines going out towards the side of the muzzle, and it'll connect the ends with a half oval. So we're going to go up towards the top, round this out, and then bring that down towards the right. Now we're going to leave a gap on either side. Starting on the left, we're going to curve the chin, coming down, and then up. Let's go up to the top, draw two straight angle lines coming down the nose, and then go back up to the top and curve the outside, coming down and then in. Let's fill the inside of the nostrils. Let's go up to the side of the muzzle and draw the top edge of the eyes. Starting on the left, draw a straight angle line, going up and then out, and then we'll line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the bottom of the eye, coming down and then in about halfway. And then we want to add a point, coming down and back in. And then we'll continue this curve, coming down and then in towards the side of the muzzle. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down and in. Let's add that point. Continue up towards the side. Now let's pull the pupils towards the inside. Starting on the top left, curve this around and then in towards the side of the muzzle, like an oval. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils. Let's move up and draw two straight angle lines, just going up and out across the eyebrows. Let's flatten off the ends, going up and in. And we'll taper this back down and then in. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I want to draw that spike in the center of the forehead. Let's start right in the middle with a straight line across the bottom. From the ends, draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top, to right about there. Let's close off the top with a curve. Now I want to separate the spike into three equal sections. So I'll start with one line going across the bottom, step up, and then draw that again. Now I want to tuck the head in behind that spike. So we're going to start on the left and go out, go around the eye, and then bring that down towards the bottom to right about there. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Going around the eye, and then we'll bend that down. Let's add two more spikes on either side in an angle. Going up and out, round at the top, and then come down and in. And then we'll line it up on the right. And now we're going to place the goggles on top of the head. We're going to start in the center of this square. Start with a point. Let's draw the top edge going out towards the left. We're going to go up, go across the head, and then out. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Going up, and then we'll bend that out. Now from the outside, I'm going to curve the goggle coming down at an angle and just pull that in towards the side of the muzzle. So we'll start on the left, round this out, come down towards the bottom, and we'll bend that up towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down, round at the bottom, and then pull that in. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side and close out the bottom of the body. Let's start up here, coming down, round this out, coming in towards the center of the body, go across, and then bring that up towards the right. Let's add those sections inside the body. We're going to start from the side of the muzzle, start by curving this out, and then down, and then line this up on the right, going out, and then down. let's round out the bottom, coming down and in to right about there. And we'll bend this down and then in towards the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the top and curve the bottom, going out and then back in. Now we're going to add that symbol in the center of the body. Let's start right in the middle with a point, and we'll start with the left side, bending this up and then out, and then flip that over towards the right. Let's go back to the left, curve this down and then in. And now I want to bend this down and in towards the center point, coming down and in towards the bottom. And now with the body complete, let's tuck the legs in underneath. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting back over on the left, come down and then up. Let's go back over towards the left side. We curve the top of the foot. We're going to go up and bend that down towards the inside of the heel. And then we'll separate these sections with two curves, starting with the outside, going out and then down. Step in, draw that again. Now let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We'll start on the left, bend this out, down, and then in. Let's separate the leg, coming down and then up on the inside. And going back to the left, let's step up, curve this in, and then down. Now going back to the top of the legs, we're going to step up and draw the inside edge of the arms. Let's start with the left, going out and then down with a short curve. And then from here, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Let's add a claw on the tip of the thumb, bending this down and then back up. Now I want to layer 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the end of the thumb, going out and bend that back in. Let's go to the end, layer a second finger in behind, and then the third going all the way around, blend into the arm coming in towards the top of the body. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the first finger, going all the way around, add the second finger, and then the third going all the way up and then in. Now we're going to add a small claw on the tip of each finger. I'm just going to bend this in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the wrist with a curve just up above the thumb, going up and then out. Let's go to the inside of the arm along the top, add another seam going out and then up. Now I'm going to add a tail coming out from the left side. Let's start from the side of the leg, then it's down and then out. Now I'm going to curve this down and in behind the leg, continue along the inside, going up towards the right. Let's separate the end of the tail with a curve. And I'll add 2 small bumps along the top of the tail. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw red Godzilla buzz from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.